In this video, you will learn how to develop a search strategy, and I will explain basic search techniques. Now this is chaos. How would you find a book or an article here? Very often, we go into Google or Google Scholar and put in some phrases that seem appropriate for what we want to know. But a random search will give random results. This is simply not good enough when working academically. Therefore, you need to be aware of building a search strategy. So, what is a search strategy? Building a search strategy means that you take some time to prepare your search. And you do this ahead of going into search engines and databases. You structure your search and think about which search techniques you want to use. Different search engines and databases will come up with different results. Therefore, it is wise to use different sources when you're searching, for example, Google Scholar, Aurea, and Web of Science. Good search techniques are part of a search strategy. I will explain those four that you can see on the slide here, because I find them most useful, and there are others that you may know. Let's start with keywords and synonyms. When searching for academic literature, you can't just write your whole topic in one sentence into the search engine or database. You won't get results doing so. Therefore, you need to divide your topic into major concepts. These are called keywords and will make the frame for your search. Often, your topic may have a main theme, which naturally can apply as your first keyword. For example, I want to find literature on scientific writing, of course. And naturally, you will want to narrow down your theme. For example, you want to show how critical thinking supports scientific writing. In a second step, it is very useful to find synonyms for your keywords if there are any. Maybe there is a Latin term you should think of, or the keyword has a well-known abbreviation. Synonyms will increase your chances in getting results. Some articles may, for example, use the term scientific writing, others the term academic writing. By using both terms, you will retrieve more articles. Truncation is a search technique used to get more results. You use the root of the word to locate related terms or plurals. As you can see, Nor asterisk will give results for Norway, Norwegians, Norwegian, Northern, etc. The search technique that I find most useful is combining a search. Combining a search is a vital and very effective search technique when using databases, especially. Because very often you will want to limit, widen, or define a search. You do this by using the small words and or. They are the most common. If you use and, you will narrow down your search and make it more specific. For example, when I use scientific writing, this is a huge field. In my search, I want to combine scientific writing with critical thinking. I put an and between them. Doing this, I tell the database to only look for results that contain both search phrases in their document. The result list will be limited. In Google and Google Scholar, and is used automatically if you write in 2 or more words. This means that we use and all the time, without thinking about it. The little word or means the opposite of and, so it's important to use them correctly. Or widens your search. By putting or between search phrases, I tell the search engine or database to include results that contain either of the 2 words. That's why or is typically used to combine synonyms. Here, I look for scientific writing or academic writing. By doing this, I will get more results. This search technique is also called Boolean Search, and you can also use not and near apart from and or. Personally, I often create a table when searching. I write keywords in columns and synonyms in rows. Doing this gives me an overview of my search, and I know where to use or and. I use or for synonyms and for different key concepts. This is time-saving because I don't need to start all over again each time I continue my search process. The search gets also more verifiable, which is important in academics. The table will normally develop with more keywords or synonyms in the search progress. So as you see, using a search strategy will make it easier to find the books and articles that match your research topic. In addition, a search strategy is time-saving because you are spared from a lot of irrelevant searches and results.